General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Okay. Coffee's good. Voice is good. Ladies, Nobel Prize. Tell us about the future. Touch off. Okay. They ain't telling me if this is a stock or what. All right, Barons. Enough with the clickbait. I believe I left off on Wednesday. I still got to work on organizing my time so I can not be behind on these things. Can't wait to go full time and just trade. So I believe I left off on Wednesday. It was a kind of weird week. Go to the N15. It's paper trading. All I got is. Boy, I be planning, don't I? Okay, hold on, wait. No, start a new replay because I need Wednesday. This is Tuesday. And then this is Wednesday. Okay. See, that Asia high was a weak high. No, I remember I was noting that. See how when the week start before the actual job kicks in, it's just planning. And then right around Wednesday, you don't went to the job 3 days. Now on the weekend, you got to do 12 episodes. Lord. Monday EQ was interesting because we swept both sides. Mhm. This is a New York reversal daily profile. And then let's say I look at this from right here. This is what we got to start the day. Small range Asia. It said should not return if bearish, which is the key level. We came right to it. That's a volume imbalance from a higher time frame. Yellow folder news. New York came and took out our higher time frame drawn liquidity and our fair value for selling area. Got us a sale. Beautiful, beautiful. The only thing was this sale, it came back to the open and then we pushed right back up. So all we did was take out PM session liquidity. Here. So this is an expansion day. You do no engaging. Well, I paper traded, so boom, 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 mega point. We were guessing that this is gonna hold, but like further on in the week after we hit this, I'm thinking this is not gonna hold because this Asia high is nothing to me. So this is the move. This is the move. Okay. Thinking Wednesday how will stay. Yes. No. Bitcoin looks interesting too. I like this CFI chart, whatever it is. It got regular trading hours, but it looks like a 24. It looks like a futures contract, but it's not. See, it's just a real clean CFD chart. It's the CFI feed. Okay, no price, just ran to the fair value for selling area and melted and created a bearish dealing range. And then we came and took that high too, which was weird. So boom, this is what Wednesday. We came up here, so this is another area that we had, and we just pushed past this level, took out this high, and came here. So Tuesday high of the week is invalidated here. I kind of like putting text in boxes, but let's do this for the sake of continuation. For this is fair value, and this is fair value. So same type of area, and we came. This is like the old order book. After we hit here, we came and deleted this. Mm, this looks weird. It's just a weird area. I don't have nothing here. Let's go here. I still want this high. That's a weak high. It's just a weird week, us being in this range. Mm, price invalidated. Tuesday high of the week. And no, that we took Monday's low and closed above Monday EQ. So that was a sign that Tuesday high was weak. Also, highs created in Asia are usually weak because Asia range is usually used for engineered liquidity. Okay, let's go to the daily. So make sure this is okay. That's Thursday. I do be noticing that when you switch to the daily. So this should be Wednesday, right? Okay, let's go one bar. Boom. Okay. So this is Wednesday on the daily. This is what we're working with. Tacky week. I see why I ain't want to look at the charts the West. that's that's why we ain't had no episodes. It looks atrocious. Okay. See, this is. I know I have a note about this. Wednesday price did not hit a higher time frame level PD array. I mean, that usually means I'm sure I want to kill this off because I got a note on that. Yeah, nope, that's my news. Here we go. No weekly PDA tag by Wednesday. Right here. Can I link this to this? Hold on, let me see. This button. Paste link or search pages. I don't know how to do that. Anyway, I had to look it up on YouTube or something. They let you do everything else on Notion. Let's see what's next week. Netflix, Tesla. Okay, after that is Microsoft Meta. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5, 6. It's not top 10. Oh yeah, AMD I think is top. No, it's not. It's the top 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so I'm missing AVGO and Nvidia and Amazon. Yep, no top 10. 2 top 10. Plus this 4 is 6. And it'll be on the top row. Must be next month. Man, it's kind of crazy week. This is the 15th. And I forgot it was week 3. Price not hit, boom, boom, boom. That usually, yeah, that does usually mean that. Let's go to silver. Let's do the silver tab. Silver does look interesting. Just had a nice little retracement. Wednesday is here. Starting on. So we started off Tuesday. New day. Asia is doing what Asia do. Even before Asia kills zone. Snatch buy side. This. Let me just do it like this because I think that magnet's too strong or something. This was the sell side sweep. Silver said we're not going back. Here. So here, it's Monday. came down to discount. We didn't take Monday. Did we at least rebalance it? So let's stay here. Tuesday rebalanced. Monday efficiency. Let's see if I hit it. No. I think it's IFI. Yeah, it is. No, ICI. Boom. Rebalanced in efficiency. Here. Take this border off. Liquidity sweep here. So New York reversal. I think I could do it like this now. And let's get some colors for this. London just straight pushes. I don't need these lines here because I have price here. Those, they just look like fibs. That's our SMT window. New York can't do nothing. Tuesday didn't take this high. So Asia was the move. We rebalanced this. And we came to this order block. We came here. That was it. That was it. We just came to this fair value gap. Key takeaway. We didn't take Monday low. And New York first daily profile set up the anchor point for the week. Okay. Let's go here. Just make sure. So, so now we're in the hour. You see what we did, and this is the tackiest price action ever. Right here. So price kind of just stayed in this range for PM session, which is boring and sneaky. Silver sneaky. Yes, you gotta swing and trade it. I don't know how they scalp it. My friends are scalping it. I gotta swing and trade it. I'm scalping as that. On this price, just stayed in the range after Asian session, or after Asian kill zone. I don't see the move here. unless you trade Asia. Let's go to the daily. And let's make sure this is the right day. We haven't had a swing point so long. My little indicator, it's not even calculating the highest thing yet. So please, this is Thursday, so let's do this. And so this is Wednesday. So here we at on Wednesday. We grading all-time high swings. You see it's an inside day. It's actually a lot to glean here. Oh, today's the inside day. But the closing prices differ. Showing bullishness. Down candle closing price, supporting price. It's trading all-time highs. Price, hold on, wait, I can word this better. That didn't have support. I like the way ICT broke it down. I kind of was looking at closing prices before from like other teachers, and you see other traders use closing prices. A line chart is the closing price, but I like open, high, low, close. Okay. Hold on, wait. Control C, because I do like that. Showing bullishness. Okay. Also note the down close candle closing price acting as support. Okay. See what the euro. So let's go here. I like the way this looks. I like my indicator layout too. I got the win call made by Cat, the fair value gap, FIDES, the SMT. It took a long time to get there. No, start a new one. Let's start here. So we started off Tuesday. This is where we at. We got us a breaker, we got us OTE, and we got us a target. Asia, look like we going straight to target. Bump all your arrays, bump your trade idea. It's like, all right, we're not finna hit none of this. Let's go. Let's see what the rest of the day did. And did we get parent bar high? That's New York AM. London close. They took out parent bar high. CBDR. And we gotta stop at midnight. This is Forex. So when did we hit this parent bar low? Because that was the move I need to journal. So I guess an arrow will be good enough. No, this would be even better. Here. Tuesday. Coordinates. Price no. No, we missed it. We did. Failure swing. Now let's go here so I can see. Yeah, we never got this. Then we got the whole day. So here. Put FS for face swing. Here. We missed that. This is a pretty large range Tuesday. Close above London kill zone. We never even came back though. That was the weird thing. What did we use? Because push down took this. I mean, order deliveries there. It's just not a setup. Tuesday low only took Monday. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Tuesday low was a fair swing. It took Monday low with London. With London kill zone. Wednesday did not retrace and ran to objective. And closed above Monday high. Let's go here. Trader Review need to do a thing where you can start the daily candle at 12 o'clock. That'll be dope. I like to look at the chart in that fashion, or make it to where you can match your broker. Forex brokers have different start times to H4. H1. Monday high's gone. We're back up under here. OT didn't get used. Breaker didn't get used. Inverse didn't get used. This phase swing is neat. And Monday high's closed. And we really closed above it. This previous month's low we closed above. Previous bar low we closed up where we hit. Price is looking like it wants to close back in previous bar range. But I don't like the relative equal lows. Nah. Let's go to the daily. And this is Thursday candle. Go here. This Wednesday candle. And we pushed into the suspension block. My very first suspension block is disrespected. Wish it could be an inverse level. Price closed through. The suspension block. Let's see if we use it as a inverse level. Okay, that's what ICT was saying. He was saying how people was trying to make it to where it has to be a gap, but it doesn't. And it's a lot of volume imbalance indicators that you can just, I could probably code it. None of that. Delete that block and delete this block. Really a paper trading week because personal account, eval, stuff like that. You don't want to be pushing when your week is looking like that. Even though Thursday was cool, get chopped up. Yes. What did I learn about pattern narrative myself? If we don't close below Monday low, the Tuesday high of the week. May not be safe. Watch for tomorrow. Study the price. The study of price. That's what I do. All right, that's it for Wednesday's recording. Peace.